Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove background in Adobe Illustrator using two easy methods. These methods are perfect for beginners, designers, and printing work. So let's get started. In this tutorial, you will learn Method 1, Image Trace. Method 2, Clipping Mask. You can use these methods based on your image type. First, we will use the Image Trace method. This method is best for simple logos and high-contrast images. Place your image using File, Place. Select the image. Go to Window. Image Trace. Choose Black and White Logo or High Fidelity Photo. Adjust threshold if needed. Click Expand. Ungroup and delete the background. The second method is Clipping Mask. This method is fast and non-destructive. Use the pen tool and draw a shape around the subject. Select both the image and the shape. Right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. Image Trace is best for logos. Clipping Mask is best for quick edits. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below and tell me which method you use. Thank you for watching.